Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Awkward Victoria, where I will be playing Lollipop Chainsaw, Lollipop Chainsaw. It is, again, a very great game. I don't know if I have expressed enough how much this game has been, I guess, fun. But it is quite a fun game. I highly suggest it. I am playing this on the 360, by the way. There have been some questions asking me what console this is. This one's for the 360. And, I don't know, just check out the game if you've never played it before. And if you have, then you must know how great this game is. Alright,
Let's go!
Alright, if you guys don't know, the last episode I was doing a basketball game. And as always, I epically failed at that basketball game. So, I am going to hopefully retry from that spawning point of the gym. And I am just already regretting this because there's something else written. I do not do basketball. I've never done basketball. 3 minutes. You lose. No matter how tall I am, I'm never going to do basketball. It's just not my kind of sport. I know, I'm sorry for all you basketball lovers. It's game's already started. Alright. 30 minutes. Let's kick some zombie buttocks. Okay, 3 points. Yeah, I know the drill. Yeah.
It seems like a one-sided.
Alright, let's kick some zombie butt. And a 1. And what's a cheer song? I gotta think of a cheer song. Okay,
Just don't throw my head with the hoops.
Well, I got 3 points. So far, so good. What's a good cheerleading song? 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Chainsaw, Lollipop Chainsaw, keep doing the same thing. Flip flop. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. I think I have no idea. I don't even think I'm doing this right. Okay. Sorry, guys. I am pushing the wrong button. All right, let's take out this defense guy. All right. We got rid of the defense guy. Hopefully he stays gone because he is quite annoying. And it gets up to like a lot of defense people. So, oh, there he is again. No! Get away! Come here. I want to get 3 points. I don't need. Yeah, alright. Kill some more zombies! Zombie killing! Chopping off the head! Oh god. No. Go away! Go away! Not judging. Wait. Judging happens. No! Go! Shoot! Get away from the goal! Use your mind! Am I gonna make it this time? I hope I make it this time because I have not made it. I did play this game a little bit longer. You guys saw one part of it, but I actually played this part like 3 times and I still didn't beat it. And then on the last time I realized you can actually take off the defense guy. Take out, not off, with the defense in the way, off his head. And I didn't know you could take out the defense. But hopefully, this time I'll win.
Wow, what a turnaround.
Yes!
The zombies are getting slaughtered.
Yes! Finally!
Juliet.
Oh my god.
Can't wait to see you in action again.
I was not expecting to win again, honestly. I wasn't expecting to win. I was expecting to fail.
Where's that voice coming from?
Where's this coming from? Yeah! Alright! Woo! Any more? Where is that coming from? Seriously, where is that coming from? So I finished the basketball. I am pretty impressed because what the heck? What the heck?
We need to get out of here.
What? Oh, run! Run away! Why was that zombie full of ammo? Or ammo, sorry, bombs! What the heck?
They have.
Well, let's see if there's any more wheelbarrow anywhere. Wheelbarrow! Jesus! Alright, let's get this on the road. Die, you stupid zombie! I'm going to kill you with my... Oh my god, did that zombie have a weapon? Holy crap. Or unless... No, I'm pretty sure that zombie had a weapon. Yeah, he has a freaking weapon. He's a greaser. Yeah, right. Like, you're gonna get me. In your dream, zombie. Class is in session. Why is she on fire? And why isn't she dead and on fire? Oh god. Okay. Oh god. Oh god!
Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a
Okay.
frog.
Alright. Jump away. Jump away. Alright.
That's gross.
I need to get a lollipop because I'm gonna die. Alright. Yeah! Wow, his legs. Woo! Alright, I think it was like AB or something.
This day is completely unexpected.
Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Kick your butts! Chop off your heads and steal your limbs and everything. Alright, let's see. So, where am I going in all this? Like, okay, so I have the boyfriend. So, should that be all any? Because that's all she cared about anyways, was her funky boyfriend. Who's a poopy face. What is she doing? She's molesting her face with her hands? What the heck is... Would you die? Nobody likes teachers. Okay. This weird thing again. Okay. Can he at least keep his body? Nobody wants...
Yes, rock!
Alright, oops, wrong button. Y, B, X, B, A. Ah, God bless it. I always get my buttons mixed up sometimes. I'm not trying to, I just... It's like, I have to think about this stuff. That kind of scared me, actually. That kind of scared me a little bit. Well, there are the dang cops. Again. I'm not even gonna I'm just gonna fuck her off.
And this.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not even gonna bother. What's going on? Oh god. Oh god. Oh, come on. Really? Okay, I'm gonna kill these guys first. Oh! Okay, we get it. Okay, I gotta jump away, Okay. I'm like, we get it. You're doing some kind of zombie cutting, but I have to run away right now. If you do not mind, I would like to run away. What? Guitar. He's gonna play some jams. You gotta play some jams while you're a zombie. Gotta get all the girls to go after you. Maybe is that their weapon? Oh my god, their weapon is a guitar? Jesus. Have you ever hit somebody with a guitar before? I can assume that's pretty, like... I don't know, I feel like that was hurt. Oh, see what I mean? See the game showing it. I wonder if we'll run into any comedic stuff today. What? I don't get a full door? I take all this effort and not even... She really needs to sleep under that. I think she just walked under it. Alright, let's do this. I am excited.
That's a weird thing to say.
Alright, let's do this. Let's do this! Let's do this. I shouldn't get excited. Oh, oops, wrong one. Let's do this. I'm getting excited. Who is that?
Sensei!
Ah, Judy.
Oh!
One moment, please.
It's her sensei. What the heck? What is he doing?
Hey, Rasai. Julia.
So where has he
It looks
been?
like I have
Why
studied
is she
the
showing her
sciences
butt
for
to him?
40 years.
Couldn't she do this a different way? This guy looks like a
Listen,
pervert.
both of you. The
I'm sorry, this guy has to
dire
be a
trouble.
pervert.
My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
That completely
Let me show
sucks.
you.
That's about right.
The
It
universe
completely-
is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words,
What?
the rotten world,
Rot-
and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled
I'm not gonna
these
lie to you
gases,
guys.
which transformed them into the undead.
What?
Well,
WT.
whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and a rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs
Great
or the
visual.
courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard.
The streets look like
I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes,
Why isn't he helping? So, wait, you're telling me he is gonna leave her when he has like some kind of magical superpowers that he could kill them all with? But no, he's just like, no, Juliet, or whatever your hell your name is. I am just, oh my god, I am just gonna leave you here because I trust the fact that you can kill all these zombies. Okay, you know what? I don't know. You know what? She needs to get a new sensei. Senseis would not leave you behind. Not like that. Not when you're in the middle of a zombie match. I mean, yeah, he killed those zombies, but what about the zombies right here? He's just like, F you, you know? You're a student, but just F you. What? This guy doesn't have a...
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't make me fire.
What the hell? No! My birthday! Mine! Get away!
Touch the dynamite.
Get your own! Mine! Mine!
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday.
Oh god, I'm making him go forward. No! Go this way! My birthday cake! Shit.
The best calories.
Oh god!
You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper
Get
on
away!
my birthday.
It's mine! Get your own cake! My cake! My cake! My cake!
Keep the fire
Not your
zombies away
birthday,
from that
it's
dumb
not.
cake.
Oh god, this one runs! No! 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 Kill the one that runs! Because I don't want to do it slow! Okay, how am I gonna do this? This one knocks back. Okay, I can do this. No! Okay. Oh, shit.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
I know this! Oh my god, really? Okay. Nope. Die. No! 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 Jeez, how many are there?
This major league sucks.
How many freaking fire zombies are there? Alright, there's fire there. Can't go through that. Can't go through that. Can't go that way. Go this way. Oh, straight ahead.
Get through the door.
I knew that.
Now.
Guys, I knew that. I swear, I am not a stupid gamer, but that... Oh my god! Who is... Oh, it's Sensei.
Magna genocide,
Of
baby!
course he would land in her boobies. What?
Hey, I recognize
Who
this
is that?
guy. He went to school with us.
Who's that?
He's the one.
What's wrong with the Sensei's face?
Gate between here
He's like,
and rotten
ugh.
world.
I just felt something really bad. There must be something wrong with her boobs.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This
Oh, that guy's
world,
ugly.
This government, this society made my life a hell. Well,
Looking like that,
now
it would make
everyone
my
is
life a
gonna know
little hell
I'm
too.
hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you,
Oh.
dude!
Yeah.
I mean,
What hand?
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now!
This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good.
No!
Why are we just staring at him? Why didn't we just stare at him while he did this? Of course. Right in the boobies again.
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the
Totally
pawn into the
master.
ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! Alright, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
Why just the school?
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
What? Why isn't anybody stopping him in the first place? I don't understand. You know, it wouldn't have gone this far if
What are you
she just
laughing
stopped him
at, dickhead?
before he read something.
Let the ritual
Sensei.
commence.
The heck?
Let's play.
No wonder they accept him. Alright, where did I land?
Oh, hell!
Where am I? I guess a junkyard? Air! Ugh!
Rock zombie Zed!
What is that
Welcome
thing?
to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
He needs to shut up.
Wow, what happened here?
Alright, that is going to be it with me today. That was a very interesting adventure on this one. I have a feeling the next video I am going to make is going to be even more interesting on the facts that that guy is freaking weird. He's just yelling, yeah, well, you know what? Your face. Anyways, of course I have two shout-outs like always. I have a video gamer right here. And I have a guy who kind of like shows you like his collections, like Pokemon and other video games that he has. And it's pretty cool. I mean, check, like, comment, and subscribe to those two new YouTubers of the week. Again, if you guys have any video games that you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section below. And of course, please donate to the Florida Wild Mammal Association. I also have one more shout out. This store, if you ever come to Tallahassee, Florida, there's a store called Games for Less. I'm going to put the address and everything down below. They do like retro games, they do collectibles, they have like buy-ins and trades and just all this sorts of stuff. I mean, you can find pretty much anything like a Master System, a Genesis, an Atari. I mean, the list can go on the trade-ins that they get from old systems. And it's pretty cool. If you're ever in Tallahassee, check them out. Or if you're in Tallahassee right now, go to Games for Less. Great place. Anyways, that is my time for you guys today. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, I have hit over 800 subscribers, and I'm super happy about that. And just all this jazz. And that's it. That's all I have. Please, again, games. Bring them on. I'll do them after Lollipop Chainsaw. My name is Awkward Victoria, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!